Ka National People Party Lengbao State President Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi kalakantai jika jingkeno badon ka jingti barshalan dawyang bean hakaba nakaliang Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi haba pensyai halor katei ulaong balada don sisa kum kata ka jingti barshalan dawyang bean haka jela habalap harangkat baki sakhi satar kidei ban ai daga jing ujor persai ke badon kti handrai om ban sukeno klam ka nongrem lani ka jing sisa.
Yes, accusations are there, but I used to maintain this. Once you find out who stopped you from filing an FIR in the police station, so that those people who are involved should be arrested. So even with them, if they find, they can do it. I also am very much against it. Who would like to see that no corruption prevails in our state? Nobody likes. But the only thing is, you cannot just blame and accuse. The police are there, file an FIR, let those people be arrested. No, like I told you, I will not say that I am not convinced. Okay, they may be right, but I don't know. If they know, then they can do it. No, who stopped them? Nobody stops them. If I find out, I will do it. Nobody can stop me.